Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Hyundai Accent in silver with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. It also has a 4-cylinder engine and it's a front-wheel drive. It has a moonroof as well as satellite radio, and it is really easy to get into this one-owner vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. You also have your active eco located here, traction control. Your lighting controls are on your toggle, and you can tilt and telescope the steering wheel. Your dash controls, hands-free dialing, and cruise control are located on the face here. And when you start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. And you can also toggle through for different options. And then in the center, you have a display screen. Right now it's showing you the Sirius XM radio. You also have AM, FM, and you have a CD player. And down below you have front and rear defrost, as well as your hazard lights, and then your climate control located here, heated seats for both driver and passenger, and your AC. Down below there's a 12-volt USB and auxiliary line in, an automatic shifter, your emergency parking brakes beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up and you can put a few things in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, and you also have a sunglass holder. And off on the passenger side there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. You also have this nice little moonroof. We can slide that open, it powers right open for you. Nice blue skies today. 16-inch wheels and mud flaps, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. In the back you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and when you're ready to open up the back hatch, you simply put your hand in the latch underneath the Hyundai badge and it opens right up. Inside it's nicely carpeted and roomy, and you've got that little tonneau cover to keep everything out of sight. And then when you want to close it all up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. At the back of the seat here, there's a tab. You just pull that and it'll bring it right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. And you also have the ability, when you bring the seat up, there's a seat belt minder, and that just clips on the side here. And then on the floor there's carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.